All right, welcome back, YouTubers, to Big Burt's Adventures. This is going to be the first food making video of 2023 just for you. And I'm wearing my Cowboys hat because the Cowboys are doing good. I thought they were doing the greatest, but looks like the NFC is taking it, baby. So, but I am going to make some egg roll wonton wrappers using these egg roll wrappers, and I'm gonna make some smaller cream cheese wontons. So I'm this kind of guy that's like, I just go through my fridge and I'm like, what can I use, right? I don't have a recipe. I thought about it beforehand, but I'm gonna use ground beef this time. And then I'm going to use, obviously, cream cheese, but, you know, this is leftover from the holidays. And then I've got a box of fried rice that we're going to cook in the microwave. And I'll show you how that's done. And then I got a couple of bags here. I've got some peas. I've got some sweet corn. And then I've got some sauces, which is still up in the air what I'm going to use. So, but I'll bring you along with me. I hope you enjoy this more than, I mean, anybody's just going to love some fried food. And we're using a crock pot style porcelain pot to fry in. I really hate frying out of a skillet. Sorry for all those who do and probably use a Fry Daddy and all those fancy smanchy things. I had one of those at one point, but moving demolished it. So I'm going to use this option this time and see how it goes, see how you guys like it. So stick around and enjoy, you know, Big Burt making food. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cook this ground beef. I did 85-15. You can do whatever you want, obviously. And if you're not a beef guy, you can do chicken, do whatever. I just want to make sure there's a meat in here. Let's go. Let's get this thing fully opened. Ooh, slinging some burr. So just put this in here. I chose ground beef because it's already chopped up. Nice. Oop, what? Hey, what? All right. You kind of have to fight it because it knows where it's going. You know what I'm saying? Right in this belly. Oh, there we go. Get you a little spatula. Hopefully you guys can see this really well. And yeah, so I like to break it up. Kind of chop it up a little bit here. Do that thing. And then while that's simmering, do this top here. Let's take this to the trash. So, all right. So what we're doing is we're prepping all the middles of the wontons. So we're pre-cooking all those. Let me see. Okay. All right, so we're going to be cooking this fried rice in the microwave. It's just a simple fried rice mix. So what I do over there, so it is precisely 1 cup of rice. So 1 cup. So what we do is we take this over here, stick it in our rice cooker. Boom, just like that. See that? And then pour it in there. And then do that. Stick that in there. Just wobble it around. Yeah, did really well. So I'll fold it over. All right, so with the veggies, I don't like to use them all, especially for something like this. So I just, yikes, put them in a bowl. Frozen veggies are still good to use. And I gotta remember not to use a ton. One of my old habits of cooking things is using a lot of ingredients and then not needing them. So being conservative here. And then get me some sweet corn out here. Oh yeah. And then take these guys, pop them in the microwave for a couple minutes, and they'll be ready to use. All right, so we're at a point where we've got the rice finishing. We've got the veggies all cooked and ready. Got the oil simmering a little bit. And the meat's almost done. So we have our little wonton making station over here. And the secret today is barbecue, honey sweet barbecue, brought to us by Kraft. So, yep, not sponsored, but that's what we're using today. So we're gonna have honey sweet barbecue egg rolls and some wonton cream cheese. Goodness, I'll bring you along. All right, well, we're back. I've got all the ingredients together. Basically, if you ever wanted to do your own egg rolls and, you know, wonton cream cheese, I mean, you can never lose. So I've got all the ingredients together. So I've got the rice, the wonton wrappers, the big egg roll wrappers. We got the meat, we got the barbecue sauce, the veggies, and the water is for these guys, and I'll show you how that's done. So let's put these guys together and let's fry them up. Okay, so here's how we do this. You take your wonton wrap. You want to do your rice first. So I usually use a spoon. You don't want to put too much, and sometimes you want to get greedy. You want to have more, but less is the best here because I'll show you how to wrap it. Now just put a little rice on the outside here. And then I take your veggies, put your little sweet corn. I love sweet corn because it just pops in your mouth when you eat it. And then a little bit of peas for some more pop. And see, this is probably already too much. So breaking the rules already. And then we still have meat. Yep, it's Laura taking a Sunday nap. Okay. And then you get your, I already thought this was open, but you get your sauce open. Oh yeah, that's strong. So just make sure, that you just dollop. You dollop the barbecue sauce. Because you want it in every bite, but you don't want to be too much. And then the way I do it, and this one's really dry, but I take it, I flip it over, and then tuck it like this. Tuck the ends. Oh, this was a bad one. This is a bad example because I overfilled it. So, but what you can do, big secret, is you can take another wonton wrapper, take some water, run it all over the thing, tear the ends off, where I cut through the package with a knife. That was not smart. But get it wet, take your wonton wrapper, put it in here like this, and roll it. Well, push the ends in first, and then roll it. And then you take it like this, get some more water, put it on the lip, and it sticks. And then you can just bun the sides up here, just like that. So, and then just put it on a plate. Have a plate ready for you. All right, I got a full plate there, so I'm just gonna put them in the fryer, get them all fried up. All right, so we're still frying some up. I just wanted to crack one open and show you what it looked like. So you can tell here, Nice and crispy. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! And it's hot. Really hot. Oh. Oh my God. So good. Mm. If I have to say so myself. So, we still have some frying. And we have a bunch already fried up. So, there really is no recipe here. It's really just whatever you have in your kitchen. Put it in an egg roll wrapper and fry that baby up and have a good time. So, officially, these are my BBQ Spring rolls. That's all I can say. Hey, you thought I was gone, didn't you? But this is my first Rangoon, cream cheese Rangoon bite. And here we go. Let's check it out. Now, it just came off the fryer, so I should know better not to just bite into it, right? Ooh, it's hot. So, crack it open. Y'all ready for this? You know, at the you know, the Chinese, Japanese places when you don't get enough? Well, this is a meat Rangoon cream cheese amazingness. Look how much cream cheese is in there. Look how much meat's in there. And look how it's gonna burn my face. It's gonna burn my face. It's good, man. But, oh good. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll do more. It's just me bouncing around the kitchen on a Sunday. Again, I'm not a professional. We all know that, but these are the simple things in life. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. Yummy.